Hi guys, how are you and welcome to this new video. In this video we're gonna see what's inside this Bluetooth speaker. It is an Mpow Armor Bluetooth speaker. I've bought it and I really like the speaker. However, it stopped working. I don't know exactly why it stopped working. I just remember one time that I went to the beach and as it is waterproof, I was just messing around with it and throwing it to my friends that were in the water, and it just went into the water, and I think that one of the ports, it was open. So I think that the problem is because of water that went inside. However, it works not properly, but it works sometimes when I use it when it's plugged in. We're gonna open it, we're gonna see if maybe we can repair it or see what's the problem, and let's do it. Okay, so here we have the Mpow Bluetooth speaker. I have some tools here, and it's a very well made Bluetooth speaker, but it doesn't work, so let's open it. So first we gotta look at which tool we need to open this. It's these screws are kind of weird. I'm not quite sure which one I need. This too big. What about this one? I think it's this one. Too big. I think it's this one. Yeah, okay, so it's this one. It's hexagon, I think, not quite sure. Okay, so let's just open it. At one point I thought that I wouldn't be able to open it, but you know what? You never have to give up in life. You have to keep trying and trying and trying, and I was able to open that speaker. It took me way too much time to remove these screws. Alright, so here we have the two sides, both sides. For real, like, it looked like metal. It is a pretty high quality plastic, but it looked like metal. Fuck, why did I put it in again? Okay. Okay, so now as you can see we have the internals. Oh shit, this is nice, like it's very well made. Right now the chip, pretty much the chip and everything looks alright, everything looks good, so I don't really know what could be the problem. If you're from Mpow or you know someone that works at Mpow, just engineering, there's some stress levels here with the plastic, because they not well, the three here, 1 2 3, these three, they broke. I think this is some kind of tension that made this break, and maybe that could be one of the problems. I don't know if water could have just came in, because as you can see this hole is way bigger than the hole of this thing that is supposed to be there and that is supposed to not break. But maybe it could be a fail. So if you're someone from Mpow, this is something to look at, but however, it's very well made. Cinematics. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye and take care.